Force and laws of motion. Define the force. Force is push or pull acting upon any object or body. Force can be defined as an influence causing a body at rest or moving with constant velocity to undergo acceleration. The SI unit of force is Newton. Example: to open a door, either we push or pull it. A drawer is pulled to open and pushed to close. Differentiate between balanced and unbalanced force. Balanced force. Here equal forces acts on body in the opposite direction. Unbalanced force. Here unequal forces acts on the body the opposite direction. Balanced force. Here net force is 0. Unbalanced force. The net force is not 0. Balanced force. The body will be at rest. Unbalanced force. This unbalanced force make the body to move. Example of balanced force. A book kept on the table, the action force's weight of the book gives out, gravity cancels out with the reaction force of the table. Example of unbalanced force. When the book that is kept the table is pushed to the left side, the force gets unbalanced when the body is given a push to the left side. Here there is no force to cancel out in right side, hence it moves. Explain balanced force and give one example. Balanced force. A force is said to be balanced if the resultant of all the forces acting on a body is equal to 0. A body under the influence of a balanced force does not change its position of rest or uniform motion and appears as if no force is acting on it. For example, in the game of tug of war, the two teams pull each other in the opposite direction. The two teams pull the rope with equal force. Example, F1 is equal to F2. Then the rope does not move in either direction. Under this condition, the forces acting on a rope are balanced force. What is meant by unbalanced force? Unbalanced force. A force is said to be unbalanced if the resultant of all the forces acting on a body is not equal to 0. A body under the influence of unbalanced force changes its position, rest and uniform motion. Unbalanced force can do the following: move a stationary object, increase the speed of a moving object, decrease the speed of a moving object, stop a moving object, change the shape and size of an object. For example, in the tug of war, if the force applied by a team is greater than that applied by the other team, then the members of the weaker team will be pulled towards the stronger team. Thus, the unbalanced forces produce motion. First law of motion. Newton's first law of motion states that an object remains in a state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change that state by an applied force. Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia. Explanation. If any object is in the state of rest, then it will remain in rest until an external force is applied to change its state. Similarly, an object will remain in motion until any external force is applied over it to change its state. This means all objects resist in changing the state. The state of any object can be changed by applying external forces only. Newton's first law of motion in everyday life. When a bus suddenly stops, the passengers sitting or standing in the bus tend to fall backward. This is due to inertia of rest, and can be explained as follows. When the bus suddenly starts, the lower part of the body of the passenger, which is in contact with the bus, moves along with the bus, while the upper part of the body tends to retain its state of rest due to inertia. As a result, the passenger falls backward. What is meant by inertia? The tendency of an object to resist any change in its state of rest or of uniform motion is called inertia.